Okay.
Green.
Okay, spell orange again.
O.
Okay.
R.
Great job.
A. N. Stop.
G.
T. N.
E.
E.
Great job. Orange.
No, it's red.
Okay, spell red.
Red.
Oh,
R.
great job.
E. D.
Wow.
Then Y. Y.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Spell yellow.
Y. Y. E.
L.
Oy.
L.
No, oy.
No, I. L.
No. L.
Great job.
O. Yellow.
W.
W.
Great job.
In.
Blue.
Blue. B.
Ay, baby Ismael is watching Kuya Yusuf. Yeah. You're learning also. Kuya Yusuf is teaching you how to spell, right? Yeah? Again. Blue.
Blue. B. 1.
L.
No, 1.
L.
1.
B.
B.
Then
1.
L.
L.
Okay.
2.
Great job.
E.
Great job, Kuya Yusuf.
Next.
Manood siya. Next.
E.
Brown.
Brown. E.
R.
R. O. L.
W.
W.
Great job. Next. N.
N.
Yeah. Where's N? Show me the letter N. Oh, spell white, Kuya. W.
W. Next.
H.
H. O. N.
I.
I.
Great job.
T.
E. Great job, Kuya Yusuf. Baby Smelly's Pupo. Ayan, nag-aaral kami ng spelling ni Kuya Yusuf. Crazy, you're crazy, ha?
Yes. Queen.
Nado si nanay tsaka si mami. Where's nanay?
Here.
Where?
It's your mommy.
What are they doing outside?
Doing outside.
Nagkukulay ng buhok. Ayay! Alaba rin kasi ko. Patupi pa upuan. Si Lala Mami. Nagkukulay ng buhok.
Baka kung papamimiliin yung mga bata. O sabi ko pag nahati yan. O, so palagay nyo ba may sasama sa inyo? Yeah.
Kuya
Sasama
Yusuf.
yung mga bata yan.
Ito yung bike. Naka-charge na rin siya kanina.
Kuya Yusuf.
Ay, where's Kuya Yusuf?
Where's Kuya Yusuf?
Ay!
Kuya Mommy.
Lola Mami saw you. Yeah?
Take a bath na.
Yeah, take a bath.
You're so bango na.
Smell.
So, where's Kuya Yusuf?
Smell yak.
Tatay!
Yes?
Kuya Yusuf smells yucky.
Boink.
Oh, madapa. Mag-ama ko kasi tinaharap mo ng ganito. Walang pa naman yan.
Okay nga yun eh.
Okay, madapa. Sige, go.
Where's Kuya Yusuf?
I will spell. Tatay, I will spell.
Tell to Nana you learn spelling na. How can you spell it if you cover your face? Put it back. Put it back there. Put it back. Go. Put it back there.
I will give this, then I will come here with my
Go to Lola Mommy. Lola Mommy is outside.
Tatay! I will keep it there.
Yes, very good. Poink. Put it down. Let's learn spelling again. Yeah? Bye-bye guys. Higa muna natin si ang kalat ng bahay. Oh. Ayan. Kalat na naman ng bahay.